Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can make isometric guidelines in Adobe Illustrator. I used the same method for making this isometric illustration. Before we start, please take a second, hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel if you want more videos about Photoshop and Illustrator. Without further ado, let's start our video. So we are in Illustrator. I made a new document and we want to make isometric grids. Click on line segment tool, hold shift and make a straight vertical line. Now adjust it with selection tool like this, hold alt and shift and make a duplicate from it. Now press Ctrl D multiple times so Illustrator repeat the process. Select all the lines, press Ctrl G to make them group, hold Alt, click and drag and make copies from them. Again select everything, right click, ungroup them. Now select them all, go to Align panel, click on Align to Selection and align them exactly like this. Now select one of the lines from here and press delete. Select them again, right click, group them, and this time align them to your artwork. Also you can make them a little bigger so fit your artwork. Right click on them, transform, rotate. Type 60 degrees and press copy. Press Ctrl D one more time. Again select them. Make them bigger by holding Alt and Shift. Now when all the lines are selected, go to View panel, Guides and Make Guides. And just like this, you can make isometric guidelines in Adobe Illustrator. I wish this video be helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.